You so good. You are so good. You are so kind. You are wonderful. God, you are so wonderful. My Lord, you are excellent. Excellent is thy name. Is thy power. Is thy power. God, you are wonderful. My Lord. Excellent is thy name. Is thy name. Is thy
Ofie Kwanso. Ofie Kwanso. With the man, Jerry Justice. On the 106.5.
my Lord. I give you all the glory, my Lord. I extol your holy name. I proclaim your majesty. I worship your holy name. I give you all the glory, glory. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your handiworks are so great to me. Do you know something? If I have Jesus, I have everything. My brother, my sister, you have Jesus. Rejoice in the Lord. Hallelujah. I have Jesus.
That's right. You have Jesus, so you have everything.
I have everything.
Yeah.
Me wo Yesua, me wo adinyi nara. I say Yesu bo me a, adinyi na bo me.
That's right.
Say me wo Yesua, me wo adinyi nara. I say Yesu bo me a,
Elder Francis said, Jay,
say me wo,
God, you are so good.
me wo adinyi nara.
Medley we more the brutal.
Adinyi,
Piashem Wenzida.
say me wo,
Dragumusa.
me wo adinyi nara.
Show Baba.
Yesu bo me,
We'll check it time now.
adinyi nara.
It's a 3:45
Say me wo
on 106.3 Adum FM.
nara.
The patron me ma good afternoon.
Na bo me, say
Me ma wa ha.
Yesua.
Na me sama akwaba.
Naro,
The mo champa.
adinyi
Ede ba Ofie Kwanso medie so. Yes.
wo Yesua.
A warm welcome to your own show.
I say Yesu.
Ofie Kwanso on Adum 106.3 FM.
Me wo Yesua. Me wo
And you know the deal already.
I say
It's on from 9 till 6.
adinyi na bo me.
6 pepe penaya, sorry so. Na news to aswa.
I have this.
My name is Jerry Justice. Glad to be here with you as always. I want to say a very big thank you to you for choosing 106.3 on your FM dial. So together, let's rock and roll till when it's 6. Okay, so real quick, let's do this. 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. That's 6 back on the Yes. Brought to us by Kanketsi. Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited. You can your friend GT Bank. A Feco Spray Starch. And now Signal Cables. Oh, madama. Shami Tum says here. Fakon the brass says here. Danyamia says here. Nayan Koyanim. You know what I'm saying? African yanko. And now you're pentampa. Your point up in now you caught my father's house. Dance man. Yeah, papa, so for who's you answer. And then the birthday, you could. Hello.
Good Jerry.
First caller, good afternoon. You're from saying.
Pastor, good afternoon. Pastor, me the honorable Mikasa Shawa.
Hey, honorable no. What? Why? Why first callers? I know.
The man, I'm sure.
Honorable, yet you.
Pacho, tomorrow, Akaba, congratulations.
You.
Ni awara one writing in the Radna on Suzino. Hi.
You, Matty, me that's a pa, honorable.
Manana says to Akaba.
Okay.
Now, Sunday, we try Bakuma Foster.
Brakuma Foster, so that was a pa, honorable. Yes, that's a pa, so friend, Yamisha pa. Okay, I'm fine. Next call and to ask you. Hello. Good afternoon. Patron Frosty. Already, you know, feedback on I drink you.
Mbano Crampo.
And then one so.
Now, and now my head time now, I can't wait in the
Said the other night, no. Squad never penna had drink and then me, I can't. Why?
Okay,
all right, yes, where that's about. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon today.
Yamia Dumoye. Actually, you catch your uncle anyway.
You, Yamisha Biruasi.
Amen.
In my happy marriage, so.
Did I say?
You, Meda Yankopon, Asi, say, Wakame, ne Mebusia, and ne Mikura, na ye na yense. I think a boni biara, near that so, Yatiasu, and the so. And ye young warden, and Nadom Araqua, and Chindenry, and then I see the Amen. I be really Saminche, Antibis, about to Choba, Salam down, Chiono, Igme, for you to do about to Choba, Yamishan. Yes, you are saying. Eti na de me kan say. Mo am be ja mam ko wa na damu na se. Na mo so mo dwa me because me invite mo so. Pamu na chom fan chem why. We kra man kan tro bi enipa yi. Ye. Na me kan radio so dia senka mawu. Ankaji Stadium. It's not just a sign as a bar. It's ye be a may by two and yes, I won't yammy. And I'm in June, why? Patch off fat chummy. I got 2 days today. You know, I'm going to catch it because it's there. Yeah, Charlie, Saturday we are. Was here. Are you mad? Why did you tell me that? Because I won't keep low profile things go. But you buy me. I won't come. I'm so there. At least my catch all you cool. I feel me teacher they was a rare burger on the appeal. Enti minu ya sana de na koye enti no low profile why eneja ya na koye de enti pacho mo amadwa me ato now bi mu afa won me aka by force enye bo apayo why mo fa nche me why srem bebre ti mo so amobae no so nyame hia mo nyina ema mo yesu dina na ochina Friday man Thanksgiving. To watch our first hour, no. Your penny phone be more as I share that dome was a part. Especially officiating ministers, no. Omo Bajuma come apart. And me counselor. Ombo Juma. Freddy's corner said, bra. Say, and your mobile phones pay, and your laptops pay, and your printers pay. Say, home appliances chapo. You know, we are saying, say, we pay from brands, be to say NASCO, Samsung, Media, TCL, Skyworth. Nina, you'll be all. So if it is water dispenser now pay, washing machine, Bluetooth speaker, CCTV cameras, outdoor, microwave, stabilizers, home theater systems, gas cookers, air conditioners, fridges, any TVs, Nina. Oh, yeah, sure. I don't to brand a bedroom there. Yeah, Radimo. Papa be a rest to the house. Oh, there, mammy up here, where you are. And to patch up, Oba Freddy's corner, when now. Ubeto bia on. Yebesa achawade instantly. Ubetimi wini mobile phone, iron, blender, kettle, and a bag of rice instantly now free. Sa promotion we no e koso e wo yen head office one and our headquarters ni na the same thing. Yeah, no e ben city light e kokomlemle. Aha. Etu de bibia ni abetimi aba. Now so sabe count the yes afre 0544 959 195 afre 020 793 7323. And one no openi se bibia boko.
Bibia be dan boko.
Oh, bibia se bibia boko.
Okuzanga mi ya ni.
Medical patrol wi nti for me see ya why.
Okay, me dia chewo. Ndi oso ba na obi hu.
Be na appropriate.
Bibia boko dey.
Bibia fine. Bibia fine. Because we said now rest you have there.
One mama say maka me.
Me das so amana ka otiru omo dan pie wa no.
Ba mi hu na enura wakotoka afoforo.
Me enura na mu so da resting bi mu ni ade a.
Me ka o si soja ni bi ya na am say we ya sure.
Soja ni ka. O hwe na ho antetwema ho. Say soja ni ya. One day, what down from the ground now? Oba na mni oba aya say ayo nyambotre. Mate, me be ka say
na ya odi hu agro no. Minim baby of akoni fie, wan hwe ya asem beto no.
So, mate. Na
me na asem so de we nya police.
Na say we say cash na oba pa, yes fumigation bi nya de.
Oh, Jerry. Hey, that be nya ni wa wo teteman. Na nka wa ye amankofo ate omo warehouses, omo efie hotel schools, bebia abua bia wa 10 miles, just snake. You were ready to go. No one in Ebera. Say Obi fie anim, odo na wa pe na afu. O spray ho. Na
munibia ema enjamwanom ne ade on ma because I say me anka sa mi ni bi. Wa mu fi ba bi sa.
Nyamwan de.
Ka mi pe bibia gu ontom du ope no mo asa.
Nyamwan de ne o mu nyanye afi no ho be. Enti bia onam tema. Na say Obi ka say ope fumigation. Yeah. No amanipa na abehu.
Mate,
onya bodi no ka say Jerry na say memehu a.
Obenya discount. Dem. E be business is ready. Why? Yeah, be fine.
Okumesa.
Enti mu amuni papa ya o ka say. Ope I get test sports. Empanifo na kukudam na etechire pa che say. Atintimu abesi ne ya. Waka ho bi. Electra kesepa sese so kra de wasan konani mo temu obi now yes o ka so menka ne ade abase se de abedum sese o ye doctor first ya so lecture Benjamin o try kra de sese doctor Ochre o jana na so doc here that's mama fa course be to bi nka na fe me park woko Papa Bills. Papa Chotie. African. Usutie pa. Kwame obo de ba bia wo bia no unya studio about usutie. Na say usutie mi atie. Squad na me ne mo ya adwuma ni na mutie ni ye pa. Hwe ansa pa na be unse. Beme bana oyi workings kama no na so nsempa bo ehye na ase na koyie oh ade a mi chikura se bema wo hye shu na nka slippers bi hye na call ba bi na wo hye shu na se achia bi se enkoyie oh na obi anim se Ofie Kwanso squad na wa nusu na ye fine guys ti na menhye da bom di se munna muntie no enei enkomode papa bi apie ene say butter shoes na butter shoes here can want me and no any Ghana's biggest shop open pabwa from A to Z ubenya nyina bi hono no ato omon pabwa so full and they have the highest quality enti me kan fo dia mo bia me ka say die enti amano edin won ho a me kan say and a huge discount 40% on their total products in Naso. Every single item beer what butter shop no bia no Okoto sabre ya ubenya 40% discount. Enti patro menye ja ho. We no enter one football. It is from now to the 30th of October. Na etwam. October cross 31 days long. So from now to the 31st of October. Na etwam a whole month and ye DSU. Ye more 40% discount. Enti patro bra. Butter Shoe Shop, Accra Mall, Achimota Mall, ANC Mall, Junction Mall, and I feel West Hills Mall. When you know so every item from men's to women's, children's dresses, and then casual shoes, sandals, slip-ons, nina 40% discount. So go here, that's right. Brana Bajo there, what me looking good, what feel confident, then you walk in style in the most affordable and comfortable footwear in Ghana. My reviews are off away. Chassis from the 1st of October, and Yami Aduma on the 31st of October, and a Bequery. And you're 40% off every item here from Butter Shop. The Butter friends is here 0244 916 930. I face 0268 477 447 and 0274 358 512. Butter. We are all about shoes. African, young for to be noon. Yeah, for to be noon. Yeah, yeah. Hello. Hey. Yeah, when you pa. Na France.
The mama bravo. Onyankopɔn de afi baako aka me fie o. Eti me de nyame ase pa. Ɛna me second born so ɔno so Onyankopɔn de afi baako aka ne fie o. Ɔyɛ 8. Ɛna me last born so yɛ 13. Me ka to dance the busie nyame ahyira yɛ yie.
Amen. Amen. Yeah, that's yo. Yeah, for last one. Last one, yo. Hello. Me patch your fine afternoon. Say Ghana days I will be here good afternoon, but good afternoon so fine afternoon. Yeah, bro say.
Love.
Love.
Batan.
Uche LOVE love.
Batan.
Hey, oh do na bibia boko there.
Jamia dumo raje.
Okay, love yenti we.
Actually they were just the pan someone from the whole bank. Every January, everything was so big. Mention company be many of us have one. There are ideas, but some here, young customers go for Abdul, Maxi, Yamiano, it's more.
Amen. Amen. Yeah, that's a power for your call. I was trying to be for Fabia, and Chebia about share somewhere to you for an area. You really is up and Paul and Silas and Swat Twasso. You really is up and I get as well to Twasso. If I told you, Ugusu Tiasica and board damn pan. The tiny board damn pan. I want network in this one. I don't know. Who person says he got? And found so 100 WhatsApp group eso. And now you will be our business. I offer our customers several times in a day. And then Vodafone, Mao, the deal of the year. Yeah, double red 1, red 2, and I feel red 5 offers, no. Your friend a double into so pa. So now we just one Ghana city. Oba benya unlimited Vodafone to Vodafone calls. I pay 10 minutes to other networks and a 40 MB data. That's a uchatum 2 cities in Sudia. Oba benya 400 Vodafone to Vodafone minutes and then 30 minutes to other networks plus 100 MB data. I say 5 Ghana cities there and then an amazing 125 Vodafone to Vodafone minutes and then 125 minutes of other networks. And also them 10 SMS plus 250 MB data. Nina be out there. Dial is here star 200 hash. Next subscriber to Vodafone double into so you can talk and browse till. Vodafone always gives you more. Switch to Vodafone today. Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready? Pacho Infantipim Old Boys Association, MOBA. They invited all old boys and general public Nina to the 4th edition of the MOBA Annual Engagement Series. Theme there, that's no. Osinyen Nananumbo Taipa, quality education, and the quest for global competitiveness. We're in a panel discussion focusing on raising the bar for quality education, funding, management, policy, and the impact of technology, while local initiatives and activities must be globally adaptable and relevant. And where bro, a patrol date no, Wednesday, the 16th of October 2019, 5:30 p.m. sharp at the head office of EcoBank Auditorium. Yeah, what rage what and cry. The patrol panelists no, Nana Kobina Inketia, the 5th, MOBA 69, Afe Robert Daniel, MOBA 79, Alexander Mensa-Hagan, MOBA 89, and Afe Kofi Safoe-Chia, and also MOBA 99, with Professor Philip Ebo Bonzi Simpson, MOBA 78 as the moderator. So the MOBA Annual Engagement Series. Yeah, Tosuna, you know. It is sponsored by EcoBank Ghana. Media partners here, Joy FM, Asempa FM, Adum FM, Hits FM, Joy News, as well as the Daily Graphic. For further information, phrase 0302 611 651 and our phrase 055 643 9873. Didio, Unyati Sapranche se Pokuya when you do or no. Pokuya 101. Didio with Pokuya 101 Basso. A perfect touch restaurant. What Jolu Junction. A Ben Air Perez Chapel. Traffic light now on. The date is on the 13th of October 2019. 2 p.m. till you drop. Hosted by Pokuya Wendy Nafe OPD. It is sponsored by Amalena Children's Heaven, Hona Benyamo Franiamo Papa Ninato, and an Organic Hills Clinic. Or a restaurant and a bar, and a pub, be a joint, be an up, say a DD team in the stormy wa. The watcher Bomadi answer by contacting was 0544 113 131. Now 0544 113 131. This event is powered by Pokuya 101 Concept and Adum FM. Shouts going out to you, Aunt Olivia. Tane Ghana. Mommy, I'm coming on, miss. And you may never fear. And you may never fear. Because I'm coming on, you but the pa. I'm a vim, and you may have never fear. Oh, Zah. Still no shaky. Yeah, fast that can say my proud sponsors on my yeah, my day of Fendi can you radia yeah, bro. And good news at their back at their mass salaried customers of Guaranteed Trust Bank. We hear quick cash to sort out some few things and if you are tired of the long talk, the hassle of paperwork to borrow at your bank there, and I'm patroning, worry no more. As I say, Guaranteed Trust Bank, I introduce you quick credit at their bank. If I try quick credit, you know, let me a so now they are Bobisian. Up to 100% of your monthly salary instantly at only 2% interest rate for 30 days. Very simple. You phone says here and try, right? We don't control kata same the other you phone to see about *737 *0 hash. Now what selected payday credit? Why agree to the terms and conditions? No, now for why enter opinion? Why confirming? I feel them the requested amount, no, it will be credited to your GT bank account instantly. Next can I call now I started the year the opens or the EBA. Yes, very simple and short. We yan cheche mu akwa cheche dem dia ma we bia no wasumi ode. Free 0302 611 560 and now to free 0800 124 000. Now bunch mu more. Feco spray starch, also looking sharp. Atade ne de obeshow. Ba one who said the obeshow no wa krakra na. Atade ne guy, ba won so gire mu a onye guy. Fa Feco spray starch gusu neto. Where we bon se so da so kama pa. Obi ayo ne fa so ba kwa na tenetene. Etu fa nkoma men chesa. What I say? Ekura nice fragrance. Etu de to atade a. Ube wie na ama emu enwenwen hwan wa bra chese wan use perfume bia kra na we okay. You know what I'm saying? A dos wo mpan to spray a che ansa na asan. We another quality product if Samara Company Limited. They are available in shops, stores, supermarkets. How do you know? Feco spray starch. Look sharp. Africa Diamond Cable Company Limited. Africa Diamond Cable Company Limited. On the Mayan signal cables produced right here in Ghana, manufactured here in GH. Yes. Cables super papa. And they sell per conduit cable, flexible cable, PVC cable, armored cable, data cable, any cable be papa. Any the where your mom ya your friend is signal cables. Yeah, no every Africa Diamond Cable Company Limited. A patron but tire touch and say you produce our cables we Ghana near their ballroom echo as I must say countries in obia use your cables. And young quarter, the uncle for crack a few among baby diaban and no almost your more weather conditions normally. Hey, yeah, certified by a Ghana Standards Authority. Sounds an energy commission for so distant places to say pine. ECOWAS certification be piasso them. They are correct in sizes and last longer, yet very affordable. They are available in all electrical shops across the country. Do pano. What do you afraid? 0303 309 499 and a 050 9040 709. And yes, I should check on what Tema Community 7 between Tema Technical and our GTP. Signal cables, the nation's cable. Madama and Eja. Yedi ofedi kan ye radia e bro. Sa be de baby edru no. Ye hwe asem ayede etu ye ho fo e wo Ofie Kwanso dwumedi eso.